हमारे साथ पुनीता कुमार सिन्हा जुड़ी हैं जो कि इंडिपेंडेंट डायरेक्टर हैं इन्फोसिस के बोर्ड में। मैम बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया हमारे साथ इस बातचीत में शामिल होने के लिए। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर शेयरिंग योर फर्स्ट रिएक्शन विद अस। आपने पूरी प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस सुनी, यू आर क्वाइट वेल डिफेंडेड। द फाउंडर्स हैड रेज्ड सम इशू, व्हाट इज योर फर्स्ट रिएक्शन?
माय रिएक्शन इज आई थिंक प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस बहुत अच्छी गई है। हमारे चेयरमैन ने बहुत अच्छे से सब कुछ समझाए हैं, सारे इश्यूज वीव टेकन देम हेड ऑन, वीव एक्सप्लेन्ड कि हम लोग एक ट्रांजिशनल जर्नी में हैं जो कि इंडिया में पहले कभी नहीं हुई, विच इज़ दैट ट्रांजिशन फ्रॉम एन एग्जीक्यूटिव बोर्ड एंड अ promoter run company to a non-executive board and an independent CEO. So when you go through this journey, उसमें कुछ ना कुछ challenges तो आएंगे ही, and it is a learning experience for India, for all of us, and it should not be blown out of proportion.
Right, ma'am. Also, immediately after the press conference, we spoke to former CFO V Balakrishnan. उनका जो मुझे लगा, जो टोन उनकी बातचीत से लगा, वो ये था कि more than anything else, मिस्टर राजीव बंसल का सेवरेंस पैकेज इसे लेकर कंसर्न थी, और जो दूसरी कंसर्न थी वो थी बैलेंस शीट पर जो कैश है। इस पर आपके इंडिपेंडेंट व्यूज क्या हैं?
नहीं, देखिए कि जैसे कि चेयरमैन ने बताया कि एक प्रोसेस था टू डिटर्मिन कि क्या सेवरेंस होगी, और उस पे जो जो क्वेश्चंस रेज हुए उन्होंने आंसर किए। एंड जो आपका सेकंड क्वेश्चन है वो भी उन्होंने बताया कि वी हैवंट येट come to any conclusion on the share buyback. This has to be further deliberated in the board.
Right. So ma'am, आपकी ये पूरा विवाद सामने आने के बाद मिस्टर शेषाशायी या मिस्टर विशाल सिक्का से बातचीत हुई है? व्हाट आर द इमीडिएट स्टेप्स बीइंग टेकन टू इम्प्रूव द प्रोसेस ऑफ कॉर्पोरेट गवर्नेंस? एक तो जो अमरचंद मंगलदास फर्म को अपॉइंट किया गया है वो, बट अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट
I wouldn't say improve the governance. That is, first of all, I don't think I agree with that. As you heard, we have upheld the highest standards of governance. Of course, we can always improve. And but this is the law firm has been engaged not to help us improve governance, but to just help us take inputs from all stakeholders. And वो जो stakeholders हैं वो promoters को include करते हुए we have to have a mechanism by which we do this lawfully, and that is why a legal firm is appointed, ताकि हम लोग का एक as a board we have to listen to views of all shareholders, not just views of just one group of shareholders. And of course the founders are a very important part of the shareholder group, so that is why we've engaged with a law firm who can then seek all these inputs and give us evaluate them and give us a summary of those, and then we as a board can deliberate on them.
Ma'am, last question to you. Were you personally disappointed जिस तरह से your name was dragged into it? Because obviously the co-founders knew that you are part of the board, you are an independent director, you have your credentials, फिर भी जिस तरह से नाम लिया गया आपका, and this could have been discussed in private domain and much earlier maybe than the timing which was chosen.
Yeah, well, I'm personally disappointed that my name was brought in, because I have worked very hard to build my career over the last 30 years in a country that is not in India's, without any influence, without any, and that is the bulk of my career was built when my husband was not even a politician. So just because now he has joined politics doesn't mean that my career should be completely put to hold, and women should not work because their husbands have joined politics, especially when there is no conflict of interest. So I'm personally disappointed with anyone who raises these kind of questions on a woman's professional ability just because of what her husband has done, and that too recently. My husband has not just, it's not like I have been doing what I've been doing longer than what he's been doing in politics.
Absolutely.
So, and I think it is also, there are many other, situations where you have enough precedents in the world, including in Infosys, where people have been on the boards, where their spouses may have been in another position. You have to respect that we are individuals first, and we are professionals first, and we will never compromise our professional integrity just because we are married to somebody who's doing a different job.
आप shareholders को क्या message देना चाहेंगी at this point?
The shareholders को यही मैसेज देना चाहेंगे कि keep the confidence in the company. There's a healthy debate going on. Unfortunately, थोड़ा मीडिया ने इस डिबेट को पे थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही फोकस दे दिया एंड उससे शेयर होल्डर्स घबरा जाते हैं. बट हाँ, ये ट्रांजिशन है एक, एंड डिबेट से you can always have better outcomes, and we are hoping that through this debate we will learn also if there's anything that we can do better. We'll learn to do that as a board, and we will continue, and I think the shareholders will benefit from this debate, and it will ultimately be in the best interest of everybody.
Right, ma'am. Before I let you go, ये जो बैलेंस शीट पर कैश है जिसे लेकर बार बार को फाउंडर्स की तरफ से सवाल उठाए जा रहे हैं, एक तो उसके ऊपर, एंड यू आर सिटिंग इन यूएस जहाँ से लेकर सबसे ज़्यादा विजिबिलिटी कंसर्न है इस समय आईटी इंडस्ट्री के लिए, इन दोनों के लिए इस समय बोर्ड की सोच क्या है इन्फोसिस के?
नहीं, आईटी इंडस्ट्री की जो कंसर्न है, आई थिंक दैट इज समथिंग मोर सीरियस दैट शुड बी फोकस्ड ऑन, बिकॉज with what's happening with the new president in the US and the visa issues and then the industry's cost structure, वो सब जो है बहुत important issues हैं जिन पे ध्यान देना चाहिए, and that is where I think Vishal Sikka's leadership becomes very critical to this transformation. As he has said कि ये एक transformation की ज़रूरत है IT sector में, नहीं तो बहुत सारी jobs जा सकती हैं. तो इस जर्नी के लिए हमको एक बहुत strong CEO मिला है विशाल सिक्का के रूप में, जो कि I think will deliver and help us deliver this transformation in the best way under these challenging circumstances for the industry.
But are you confident that the cash will be deployed effectively जो बैलेंस शीट पर है, because इसे लेकर बार बार concerns जताई गई हैं, not only from the co-founders but also from the market?
No, as you know, Mihir, it is not, shareholders don't just want cash back without having them looked at other alternatives for the company. If the company finds other better use of cash, then the shareholders would also appreciate that. So it is something that needs to be looked into. We have not come to any decision on this, but of course this is a capital allocation, very important question that the board will be focusing on.
And right now आप board में कोई बदलाव होता नहीं देख रहे हैं, या फिर जो current leadership है उसमें कोई change होता नहीं देख रही हैं?
I don't see that change happening right now. There are obviously some retirements that will happen over the course of the next 12-18 months. So because of that, कुछ changes तो आएंगे ही, because board members will be retiring. So and that is why there will be, as chairman said, there will be a succession plan being put in place, which is another reason to engage with Cyril Mangaldas to get us, different recommendations for different kinds of gaps in the skills that we will need at that point, and what kind of people we can bring on.
Absolutely. चलिए मैम, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया हमारे साथ इस बातचीत में शामिल होने के लिए. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर शेयरिंग योर फर्स्ट रिएक्शन इमीडिएटली इन्फोसिस के बोर्ड की प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस के बाद. पुनीता कुमार सिन्हा, इंडिपेंडेंट डायरेक्टर, हमारे साथ जी बिजनेस पर बात कर रही थी.